Hi and welcome to today's video. My name is Ecom by Nick and today we will in 4 minutes create a really great sales funnel for your Shopify store. So we are in the dashboard here, or I have already put in the order, and I will do this later on, also live in the video of course. In like 4 minutes we will create a post-purchase sales funnel for your store. And this is really good. This will raise your AOV of course, and it will help you with earn extra money. Today it's so expensive to get the customers, so you need to put in all the work you can do and squeeze out everything you can do for every customer. And this is really what this app does. Really easy for you, and you set it up in 4 minutes and then it's just running in the background. So this is a no-brainer for me, and I think it's a no-brainer for you. I will leave the link to the app below, and the greatest thing with this app also is, like I said, it's free up to 100 orders with the app. Not 100 orders on your store, but 100 orders that the app is creating for you. And let's jump into the dashboard now, and I will show you what app this is and how to download it, how to set it up, and how it works live. So we are back and we are at my favorite place, the computer. And what we will talk about today is post-purchase. This is really important that you don't leave money on the table. I have talked about the funnel a lot. And that your ads, your landing page, your offer, and then it's not over there. Then you go to the cart, the checkout, all this needs to flow. But what happens after the checkout? After the customer have bought from you, you're not done. Then you can upsell them. And we do that with email flows that goes out to the customer, of course, to get them to come back or buy more, or with a post-purchase app, or not, or you do both. And today we will talk about the post-purchase app. And the app I have started using lately, this is a new app and it is post-purchase upsell. And the thing that's really good with this is that it's free up to 100 orders. And it doesn't count the orders that doesn't go through. So it's only the orders when you are selling on the app. So when you get an order through the app, then it counts like one order. So if you have like 10 orders, the post-purchase is shown for like 4 people and 1 are buying, it's only counted as 1 order. So that's really good. So I think most of you, the stores in the beginning, and so you're fine with the free plan. And that's really good. So that's why I wanted to show it for you, of course, because we like to test free things. Of course, that can raise our AOV and make us make more money. So let's jump into the video. What we have here is, this is the app, and I will leave of course a link to it below so you can easily just download it to your store. And like I said, it is free up to 100 orders, so that's really good. Let's install it, and here we have the app. And I think I need to put my glasses on for this one. And also, you know that this is free up to 100 orders. But right now, you can get a pro plan via my channel here. So I have done a collaboration with this app, and you can just choose here to get the pro plan. Check that thing out also. And let's create a funnel. So now when we set up our offer, we create a funnel. A funnel is what happens after the order is done. So after the order is done, so this will not make the customer that they need to like put in the payment option again or something like that. The customer can click accept and they don't need to put in the payment option again and things like that. And that's really good. So the only thing they need is click a button and then they have added some more products. Here is how our funnel works. After they have bought their item, we will show them a first offer that is a product. You can also, running a one product store, you can choose one more of the same variant and you just show them the same product with a bigger discount. And people are thinking like, why should I buy more of the same product? You will be amazed. That's post-purchase offer that works best, is to show them the same product because they are already interested in it or not interested, they have already taken a decision to buy that product. So it's very easy for them to like click one more product of that the same product. It doesn't really make sense, but I promise you, this is the best upsell. But with our funnel, we want to do it a little bit different because we have a lot of products on this site. So we have chosen a bag and we will show them 20% discount on this bag. And if they accept it, we will try to sell them one more of the same bag with 40% discount. If they decline the second upsell, they will also get the same with 40% upsell. And if they decline the first one here, we show them another bag. Let's see, we can put another bag here. Yeah, we show them this bag and we show them 30%. So you see, you can build this a lot, but I think this is fine for us. Here you can just add an offer also. So it's really, really easy to set up. Really, really easy. And then we save our funnel and we have our first funnel up and running. That's the only steps you need to do. And now you have a post-purchase upsell funnel that will make you money in the background without you doing anything. That's the beauty of this. One thing you really need to do, and you can't forget this because then the app won't work, is to go to settings, checkout, and here, post-purchase page. You need to click post-purchase upsell Bakira. So you choose this app that you need to do. Otherwise it won't work. And now we have set up everything. So in like 4 minutes, we have set up the perfect sales funnel for our website that will make us money in the background without us doing anything. It would just make that happen when we are sleeping. So that's perfect. And this will raise your AOV. It will raise your, of course, your revenue and your profit. So this is how the app will work in real time. This is a live example, and that was the order, of course. And it's also translating, because this store is in Swedish, so it's also translating automatically to what language you have. That's also really, really great. So when the order is, when the customer have put in their order, you see here, do you want this this bag now for 20% off? And yeah, I can just put it in my order. Or here, see another. Do you want this one? This is, of course, really, really good. And this will make your AOV, like I said, go up. This is a no-brainer. You need this app. And this app is free up to 100 orders on the app. So it's really, really good. And I think it's a no-brainer for you, of course, to install it. I will leave a link below to it. And I hope I gave you all information you needed. And if you needed any more information about it, send me a DM or a message and I will, of course, help you with it. Thank you for watching today and I will see you in the next video.